Look at that. I really thought it was plastic. Scratching it up. Nice shiny aluminum. Got some more cables. USB ports are popular as replacement parts. But again, I'm not going to deal with older laptops. There's definitely gold in here for you gold guys. That's pretty much it. Speaker, board, and a bunch of garbage plastic. There you go. One down, a few more to go. Oh, look at this. This is an 17-inch screen. This might be worth more than the 25 I mentioned. We'll find all of that out soon enough. We got most of the screws. Just the cover, like I said, check it out. If it has value, sell it. If not, garbage. So, again, we got the typical stuff here. Some hidden screws. Another battery that is 100% dead. Going to board sort. Some more hidden screws. Taking out the fan since we have access to it off the bat. Can probably take out the heat sink from the looks of it. This one has some nice copper on it. That's one more screw. See, another hidden screw. A couple of them that I didn't see. Here. There you go. So we got a nice piece of copper right here. Goes all along here, and a nice piece of aluminum.